Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And this the purpose of this video is to give away a free lead system. If you are marketing anything online, you know the power is in the list. You have to have a way to build a list, a contact list where you can promote your business opportunity or products too. For right now, I'm giving away this lead system. This is for free. You can get it today for free. All you have to do is click on the link below and it's yours forever. And it's no obligation unless you want to upgrade to the lead lightning part, which is $7, but you don't have to. You can build your list with this system for free. All you have to do is show it to your group members and let them use it to build their list, and you can promote whatever you want to online through this lead system. Build up your leads and build up your list where you can promote your business opportunity. Why not engage for free? And a lot of people say free is no such thing as free, but I can tell you right now, this is for free. Who else wants a free lead system for life? Okay, it's 251,743 customers as of January 2011. High converting lead capture pages, done for you email campaign, powerful back office dashboard, stunning banners that get clicks, giveaway free system, unlimited, promote any business, any, and much more. All you have to do is put your, right here, I'm not going to program it as to put your name and phone. I'm going to try to program it for you to just put your email address in there. But anyway, my name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a wonderful day or night. Why not receive this free lead system? Bye-bye now.